Welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop. I'm your host, Clinton Johnson. What we have for you guys today is a 2006 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer by the name of Denim and Diamonds. She is a really, really nice boat. I don't know if you can see it. Really clean hull. See her bow. That's all nice and clean, really good condition. She does have radar up top. She has a TV antenna, and then you can see her GPS as well. She does have isinglass that fits through there that's in good condition. They don't have it on right now because, well, it's Florida and it's really nice, and actually it's quite warm today. So I'll be looking forward to getting down into that air conditioning just a little bit later. And note that we have some really nice seafoam decking on the back swim platform. Inside the boat, I really love that table, guys. It's really nice. It has a compass inlaid into it, but we'll get on board and take a closer look at that and everything inside. So this really truly is a really large swim platform. I don't know if you can see my feet for reference. They're size 11, and this, I mean, it's just a huge swim platform here on the back. Once again, the name, Denim and Diamonds. Really nice seating area back here with a really nice table. And as we enter the cockpit, we have a nice little sink. We have a little refrigerator. We have seating for probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 5 or 6 people. Check out this table with the inlaid compass on it. Really, really nice. But before we head forward, we're going to hop up on the bow real quick, kind of check things out there. Not a whole ton to look at, but I still want to show it to you. So hang with me. Let's go check that out. So this boat has a really large bow, a lot of room. If you were to put some cushions out here, you could have 2 or 3 people easily lay out and sun themselves if that's what you're into. We do have our spotlight. We do have a powered windlass and our anchor. And here is our view facing forward to aft. A little better look up top. All the antennas. Let's go down into the cockpit and take a further look. All right, as we head forward in the cockpit, we have seating for another 2 people, or one person could just kind of lounge out. Up at the helm station, we have 2 nice bolstered seats. The bolster's up currently. I'll be showing the electronics and other things later when we take the boat out, so stick around for that. You can see that radar is transmitting and working. Depth finder. Another Ray Marine with your speed, other data, your heading, and all your other gauges. All right, I know this is the moment you guys have been waiting for, is to get down below, take a look on the inside. So let's head on down. So I know the moment many of you have been waiting for, you wanted to get down below, take a look. It is really nice, really, really roomy. A lot of beam for a 32-foot boat. So let's get on down there and check it out. As we come on down, you can see the forward V berth, the galley. We will start with the head behind this door. Good sized wet head, a lot of mirrors, a lot of storage behind those mirrors. You have a flap that goes down over the toilet, so you can sit down when you're taking a shower. You can see the drain over there. Everything just drains out the bottom when you are taking a shower. And as standard, you have a faucet that's double duty. It goes up, hooks up to be a shower, or you pull it right back down and you have your faucet for your sink. Now you can see me there, sitting there in that mirror. You have a ton of leg room in this one, unlike a lot of heads where you might be, fairly limited. And I'm 5'11", and here's about the top of my head. There's, I could see someone 6'8", 6'9", actually being able to actually sit in here and not hit their head. So that's a really nice advantage. It's large and roomy for a 32-foot boat. But let's get out of here and go take a look at the rest of the boat. And as we start with the galley here, I will have to say that this air conditioning that's on is saving me right now. It is a nice, warm, hot Florida day. And so I've got myself locked in here cooling off. But we have a good amount of counter space here. All of these things lift up and out. You got your 2-burner electric stove. You got a deep sink. Cabinets for storage. And we have a good-sized microwave oven with a built-in little coffee pot. So that's really nice right there. I do want to mention these little foam things here. They're pretty interesting. There's port lights here, so you can get plenty of light down here, and I took them out so it'd be better for filming. But you got one there, and you have one right there. Keeps it cooler down here, keeps it darker if you want. I'm going to pull it back out just so we have better lighting for the video. But I wanted to point that out. It's pretty cool. That forward hatch as well has a screen that goes across that blocks out the light, but I have it off right now so we have better lighting. You do have a forward TV here for the master stateroom, V-berth. There are steps on either side, so you can kind of get up on the edge and get in a lot more easily. But really wide all around in this V-berth. We have a dining area for eating, and you could probably easily sit about 4 people on that. And then kind of to finish it off, we do have out here in the salon galley area, we do have an additional TV. You can see that it actually is playing. The antennas on this boat do work. And then you have another couch down here, and that could make out into a bed, and you could have some additional sleeping area. So that's pretty much it for down below. We're going to go out up into the cockpit. We're going to open up the engine hatch. We're going to fire up the generator and then both motors so you can see them running. And then stick with us, because after that we're actually going to take the boat out. We're going to take her up on plane and show you how she performs. So to take a look at these engines and this generator, I'm going to open up this engine hatch. So I will speed this up so you don't have to wait. You know, go slowly and safely. I'll speed it up some, but pretty neat, and it's really nice and easy to get down into this engine room with this powered hatch. So here we have the engine room. What we have is 2 Mercruisers, 6.2 liters, the Horizons, and they're 320 horsepower each. We will start both of those motors in a moment, but first off, what we have back here is, in addition, we have a Kohler 5 kW generator. And so let's fire this up first, just so we can see that she's running good, not smoking, water flying, anything like that, and then we'll get on to the engines. And so now we're going to start up this starboard engine for you. And finally we have the port motor. So there's the motors and generators running. Let's take this boat out and see how she performs. Anyhow, we're gonna head on out and we're gonna run her. We will also take her from a dead stop and then run her full power and show how fast she can get up on plane. And overall, just show how well she runs. So we're at a complete idle, and right now, we're just gonna show you how fast this boat can get up on plane. Well, thank you for joining me on another episode of Boat Snoop. I hope you enjoyed this video on this 2006 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos in the future from my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next time.